Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify buffering issue on an Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Spotify is the world's leading music and podcast streaming device. If your Spotify application keeps buffering, then this could be likely if you're a tech enthusiast and own multiple devices. If you've signed into your account for Spotify on multiple devices, then this might be the main cause why your application is buffering in the first place. So the first thing to do is to make sure you log out of other devices where you are logged in with your Spotify account. Once you've done that, the next thing to do is to check if you have a stable internet connection. Make sure to be connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Or you might also want to refresh your router and connect to a stable internet. If you don't have a stable internet, you might walk through this issue. If you've tried both of these steps but still you're not being able to get through your Spotify app, the next thing to do is to free up spaces on your device. If you don't have any space left on your listening device, your Spotify application might keep buffering. Try removing the application you no longer use from your mobile devices. Once you've deleted unused application or unwanted application, go tap open your settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. From the app list, search Spotify and tap it on. Tap storage from the app info page. Tap clear cache at the bottom right. Once you've cleared out the cache data, this will be able to help you free up some spaces on your mobile application. If you want to free up more spaces, go tap open settings again on your Android and tap on device care. Tap storage. Now you can free up some spaces by deleting unnecessary files, zipping apps, scheduling a cleaning, and moving content to an SD card. Here I'm going to remove some of the unnecessary files. Go ahead and select the files that you don't need and tap on delete. Once you delete unnecessary files, you can now go back and tap open Spotify app and see if that fixes your issue by playing a music. If it still does not work, then you can try turning off low data mode on your mobile device. Make sure you're inside your Spotify app and you're inside your home page. Now go to the top right hand corner and tap on the gear icon. From the gear button, make sure that the button under data saver is turned off, and this might help solve your problem. Now, the next thing you can try is to simply restart your system. Simply press the power button like you normally do in order to restart your system. Now tap on the restart button. Once you reboot your system, this will clear any implicitly stored data from the temporary memory, and now you might be able to solve your Spotify issue as well. If nothing else works out, simply delete your Spotify app by press and hold the app icon from the app drawer and tap it on uninstall. Tap OK from the pop-up, and once you've deleted the application from your Android device, tap open Play Store. Re-download the application on your mobile device by typing Spotify in the search box and tap it on the install button like you normally do. Once you download the application back again, tap on open, log into your account and make sure, and you might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the easiest and the quickest fixes for you if your Spotify application keeps buffering on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.